So we've done some simple exploration of our data after pre-processing using n-grams. We can now extend this even further by adding tags to our text. There's two types of tagging that we're going to cover today: parts of speech tagging and named entity recognition. The first method we're going to try is parts of speech tagging. This is where we take each of our tokens and tag them with the associated parts of speech. And by parts of speech, I just mean whether that token is a verb, a noun, an adjective, etc. The second method is named entity recognition. So instead of going through each of the tokens and tagging them, this method searches through our text and pulls out named entities. And by this, I mean things like people, places, organizations, works of art, any kind of named entity that's easily recognizable by most people. These methods of tagging our text can be really useful for exploring our text and understanding what's in there. They can also be used to create additional features for machine learning algorithms, or they can be a really interesting standalone analysis in themselves. Our next two lessons will be taking each of these methods and see how we implement them in Python.